It only took 10 days, the time I was on vacation, for stink bugs to show up in the garden. Of course, their favorite food is tomatoes, but they also like other ripe fruits and vegetables. They are the biggest pests for tomatoes. They suck the sap out of the tomato fruits. There are both adult insects and baby stink bugs. They reproduce very quickly and lay eggs on the underside of leaves. When they take over tomatoes, the result is damaged fruit. Just look at what the tomato fruits damaged by stink bugs look like. It's not smart to use insecticides against stink bugs now because the fruits are in the ripening and harvesting stage. It's true that there are insecticides for spraying tomatoes with a short pre-harvest interval of 3 or 5 days, but I'd gladly avoid that if possible. In addition, the effect of these insecticides is limited by the number of treatments per year, and if they are used more often, stink bugs become resistant to them. They are incredibly resilient insects. Gardeners make an effective natural remedy against stink bugs from 2 ingredients. Vinegar has been shown to be an effective natural repellent against stink bugs. Frequent spraying of vinegar on plants in the garden where stink bugs have been spotted can successfully drive them away. That's why I add 4 tablespoons of vinegar to 750 milliliters of warm water. A stronger concentration would work better on stink bugs, but it can damage the plants, so I stick to this recipe. Also, dish soap has proven to be a good deterrent for stink bugs. I'm adding 2 tablespoons. You can also use an eco-friendly detergent. Shake well, pour it into a spray bottle, and treat the tomato plants and other affected plants in the garden. This mixture won't kill the stink bugs, but it will stun them, drive them away, and reduce their presence. One way to reduce the stink bug population on tomatoes is to collect them by hand. So prepare a container with a little vinegar and water and drop the stink bugs in. They are most active in the late afternoon when they come out. Just shake them off the plants into the container. Natural enemies of stink bugs are ladybugs, which eat stink bug eggs. Spiders, which destroy adult stink bugs, are also natural enemies. If you see ladybugs and spiders in the garden, know that they are beneficial insects. There are some other interesting techniques against stink bugs that gardeners use. You should deliberately plant plants that stink bugs prefer around the cultivated plants. For example, if you plant Swiss chard and marigolds around tomatoes, they will attract the stink bugs and protect the tomatoes. I've seen for myself that stink bugs really like Swiss chard. Farmers complain that stink bugs cause great damage to their crops. So in some countries, they have started to make traps for stink bugs. They are most present during the fruit ripening stage, and protecting the fruit while it's ripening is not easy at all. One of the key factors to protect tomatoes, as well as other fruits and vegetables, is to recognize the stink bugs in time. Take a good look at what stink bug eggs look like. Then look at what the baby stink bugs look like. And here are the adults. Try to spot them in time so you can take effective action against stink bugs. Experts say that there are several types of stink bugs. The brown marmorated stink bug, Haliomorpha hales, is considered one of the biggest pests in the world. They are known for releasing a characteristic unpleasant odor when disturbed. Hence the name stink bug. They appeared in Europe in the 2000s and in America in the 90s. Not only do they damage fruits and vegetables, but also field crops. Among field crops, they like soybeans the most. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.